In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload an image to Mailchimp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have your image safely stored in your Mailchimp library, ready to reuse in emails, landing pages, and automations whenever you need it. Start inside your Mailchimp workspace and open the content area. This takes you to the Content Studio, which is Mailchimp's central library for all your creative assets. Think of it as your single source of truth for images, logos, GIFs, and documents. Once you're here, you'll see your existing files and folders, along with options to organize and manage everything. If you've never visited this area before, don't worry. Everything you upload here is accessible across your campaigns, so it's worth knowing exactly where it lives. Now, look for the upload option. It's typically near the top right of the page. Click Upload to open your computer's file picker. This is where you choose the file you want to add. As a quick guideline, Mailchimp supports common image formats like JPG, PNG, and GIF. For photos, JPG usually gives you a smaller file size with good quality. For logos or icons that need transparency and crisp edges, PNG is often the best choice. Keep your file name simple and clear, using letters, numbers, dashes, and underscores, so it's easy to search for later. With the uploader open, select the image you have on file. Navigate to the correct folder on your computer, highlight the image you want, and confirm your selection. You'll see Mailchimp begin the upload process right away. A brief progress indicator will appear, and once it finishes, your new image will show up in the library with a thumbnail preview, file name, and file size. That's your confirmation that the upload worked and the asset is ready to use across your projects. A few quick tips as you upload. Aim to keep images reasonably sized for email, often around 200 pixels wide or less, so messages load quickly and look sharp on both desktop and mobile. If you run into an error, double check your internet connection, make sure the file type is supported, and consider compressing the image to reduce its size. Consistent naming like brand logo dark.png or hero image spring.jpg makes it easier to find assets later, especially when multiple people collaborate in the same account. And that's it. You clicked content, chose upload, and selected your image from your computer. Your file is now in the Content Studio and ready to be dropped into your next Mailchimp design.